number 3. We start by writing out our percentages as grams. So we have 72.4 grams of iron, 27.6 grams of oxygen. We want to convert from grams to moles first. We're going to do so with our conversion factors here. Remember, we always start from the bottom, now we're here. Starting with our units here, grams of iron to moles of iron. How many grams of iron are in 1 mole of iron? We can find on our periodic table. It's our atomic mass. So 55.845 grams of iron. We do the same thing only for oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen is 15.999 grams of oxygen. Plug this into our calculators to complete the conversion. If you're using a scientific calculator, that's easier. Otherwise, if you're going to use your phone calculator, I'll show you how to do that. But in your scientific, what you want to plug in is 72.4 times parentheses 1 divided by 55.845. So if you turn your iPhone calculator on the side, you're going to plug it in like this. 72.4 times, start parentheses, 1 divided by 55.845, end parentheses, equals. If you don't press the equal sign, you're not going to find the answer. And we get 1.296 moles of iron. All right, now for solving for oxygen, we're going to plug into our calculators 27.6 times parentheses 1 divided by 15.999. And I'll show you again. 27.6 times, start parentheses, 1 divided by 15.999, end parentheses, equals. We get 1.725 moles of oxygen. All right, from here we find the smallest number between the two elements. The smallest number is obviously 1.296, and we're going to divide both numbers by this value. When you divide a number by itself, it's automatically 1. When we divide this by the smaller number, we get 1.33. All right, so as we saw in other problems, we had to, when we have 0.5, we're going to multiply by 2 so that we can get a whole number, because we cannot have a decimal for our subscript. So what we do when we see 0.33, that's a third. So in order to make that a whole number, we have to multiply it by 3. And whatever we're doing to this element, we also have to do to this element. So multiply this one by 3, and we get 1 times 3 is 3. 1.33 times 3 is 3.99, which equals 4. So now we finally have the complete numbers that we need to fill in here. So our final answer will be Fe3O4.